Do you have stained stainless steel kitchen utensils? Today, I'm going to show you how to remove stains such as hard water deposits from your stainless steel cutlery. Hi, I'm Michelle and I'd like to welcome you to The Cleaning Habit. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell for more cleaning tips.
The materials we need are vinegar, a basin for soaking utensils, at least 2 pieces of a non-abrasive cloth sponge or a microfiber cleaning cloth, dish soap, hot water, and baking soda. Apply a small amount of vinegar onto a non-abrasive cloth sponge or a microfiber cleaning cloth. Rinse and dry. Fill a basin with hot water, just enough to completely soak the utensils. Add a tablespoon of baking soda, swish it around and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Refill the basin with clean hot water. Add a few squirts of dish soap and use a non-abrasive sponge to scrub the utensils one by one. Rinse thoroughly. Dry with a microfiber cleaning cloth.
I hope we were able to help you with your cleaning task today. For more cleaning tips, you can subscribe to this channel, follow us on our Facebook page, or visit our website at www.thecleaninghabit.com. Happy cleaning!